Hi, it seems like the plan you've got working pretty well. Let me open that camera. Yeah, I tilted the terrain a little bit, and of course, terrain walls are going to react to the slant of the terrain. I think I set this in, I'm going to set it at minus 66. Well, I guess that's all right. Yeah, you said is there an easier way? Well, I don't know if it's easier. I've got a different way. Just going to draw a polyline here on your box. Move that polyline. Hopefully that's not your terrain feature. Yeah, okay. I don't know if it's easy or not. You'll have to decide that for yourself. It's another way. I convert that to a slab. Not with a footing, just a slab. And I didn't measure the height, but I think I'm going to make it 24 inches thick. Excuse me. Now I'm going to take that and copy it and hit the C key for concentric. And then we'll take this and make this, program this to be a hole in the slab. So, show you what we got so far. Shift F6. Of course, the slab here, let's see, let's make it a little bit thicker now that I look at your thing. Get to 48. Okay, and I can move that up and down. Excuse me. I'm going to take this and copy it. Whoops, and hit the C key. But at the C key, it won't be concentric. Now I'm going to make this not a hole. I copied a hole. For this one, I just want 12 inches deep. Is that the, yeah, okay. And I want that at, see, minus 24. See what that looks like. Oh, I think I zapped. Okay. I'm going to take that and copy it over here. Take this and make it a hole in this slab. Okay. Now take this, change the material to soil. I think that, yeah, landscaping. Now, as far as the cap, let's take this and copy it and put it over here. And I'm going to unconvert it. And wait a minute. Okay. Get rid of that. And convert this to a molding polyline. And we'll go over here and moldings. I want something that's kind of flat. Yeah, that'll do. This square like. Now I want the width to be, oh, I don't even know what that is. Let's say it's 8 inches and the height, ½ inch. And the material, yeah, that's right, doesn't matter. Okay, there's my cap. That's about the right color. Then I take this and use point-to-point move. Where's point-to-point move? Where'd you go? There it is. From there to here. Okay, I didn't get the width correct. That's okay. We'll just make the hole match the trim. And whether this is easy or not is up to you. It's just another way. That's one of the things I like about sheets. There's more than one way to, oh, what the hell? All those polylines in there. Okay. I guess, let's see, let me click over here. Make these materials the same. Okay. It's just another way. Well, here, let me give you another one. Okay. And you know, this works. Nothing wrong with it. I like this because this is unaffected by the terrain slant. It's going to be flat relative to the house, no matter what you slant it. But when you use terrain walls, they have a tendency to react to the terrain, as you pointed out. Anyway, it's not a big revelatory thing, but I just thought I'd, you know, do this and show you an alternate way. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day.